Good morning, students. Again, I'm your class teacher, Miss Anam, and I will be taking your social studies as well. Yes, in the introductory video about your class and subject teachers, I mentioned that Miss Sumaya will be taking your social studies, but somehow it has been changed, and now I will be taking your social studies. So, yes, we will have fun together. This will be new for me also, and inshallah we will have good time. We will be having three portions again. We will be having civics, geography and history. Civics, what is civics? Civics is the study from the word, first of all, from the word civics you understand that it is all about citizens, rights and obligations, duties. What are the duties citizens have to fulfill? What if they are fulfilling the duties, then what are the rights they are having? So rights and responsibilities come along with it. Civics is the study of the rights and obligations of citizens in society. Civic education is the study of the theoretical, political, and practical aspects of citizenship, as well as its rights and duties. So, again, it is the same thing that if citizens are fulfilling duties, they are having some obligations, then vice versa, they will be having some rights also, which government needs to fulfill. So, we will see what are the rights and what are the responsibility as a citizen one has to fulfill. Okay, then we have geography. What is geography? Geography is the study about the physical features of the earth, inside also and outside also. It basically focuses on the curriculum for understanding and resolving issues about the environment and sustainable development. So we come to know about the resources which we are having in our country, around the world, and how we can use them well so that we can understand also and we can resolve also the issues we are facing related to the environment. Okay, like one of the example is global warming. Okay, it is also an important link between the natural and social sciences. As pupils study geography, they encounter different societies and culture. When we keep on studying geography, and when we come to know about about different cultures and societies and traditions around the world. Okay, we will come to know about Japan, about the culture of Japan or China or India. So we encounter different people, how they are living and what are the ways they follow. Okay, then we will study about history also. What is history? History is the study of past. We all know that history is the study of change over time, and it covers all aspects of human society: political, social, economic, scientific, technological, medical, cultural, intellectual, religious, and military developments are all parts of history. This is your book 8. The picture over here shows that this is book 8, and you will need to buy it. I have inserted the picture also. Then you will be having one journal and one copy. In journal you will do all the geography work. Map, general knowledge and current affairs will also be done in the journal only. Okay, so we will have portions for it. Then we will be having one copy in which you will do all history and civics work. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you. Inshallah we will meet soon again.